Welcome to this breathing meditation. My name is Wilsby Frisk and I'm a Swedish birth coach and doula. To be able to be present during birth, it's wonderful if you can connect with yourself and your baby every day and take a couple of deep breaths. Find a spot where you can be alone. And drop your face. Close your eyes. Take an active deep breath. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And let that relaxation spread all over your body. Continue to breathe softly, inhaling through the nose for maximum oxygen and exhaling through the mouth for maximum relaxation. Try to find a rhythm that feels good to you. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, and relax your whole face. Stretch out that forehead, your eyebrows, relax the muscles around your eyes. Relax your chin, your cheeks. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And keep that relaxation spreading. Drop your shoulders. Relax your arms. Relax your hands. Feel how they are warm and the fingers are curved. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, and relax your butt and your legs, your feet. Take a deep breath. Dive down to your baby. Take your baby's hand. Say hi. It's time to move, to sink down together. One breath at a time, one contraction at a time. You're in this together. You're breathing for your baby. And maybe you will notice as you are breathing, inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, that your baby might be moving. It's like it says, oh, finally, some oxygen. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, and be there with your baby. Feel your baby. Feel your own heart. Feel your heart beating. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, and drop your shoulders again. Relax your arms again. And relax your legs again. Notice how the tension comes back so easily, even in a meditation exercise. Isn't that interesting? Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And feel your body sinking. It's like you become more and more heavy with every breath out. Breathe in through your nose for maximum oxygen and breathe out through your mouth for maximum relaxation. Try to feel your body, your whole body move from your head, your shoulders, your arms, your chest, your belly, your abdomen. Notice how your abdomen goes up when you breathe in and goes down when you breathe out. Relax your legs, your calves, your feet. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, and keep breathing and keep relaxing. one breath at a time, one contraction at a time. You can do this. Your body knows how to. You just have to get out of the way. So keep breathing, keep feeling your body. Let those breaths be like waves back and forth. Feel your feet, your hands, your face. Stretch up that forehead, those cheeks. Drop your chin. Again, notice how fast the attention comes back. We have to work at being relaxed, which might sound contradictory, but that's just how it is. We just accept that and keep scanning our bodies. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, and start coming back. Start moving your fingers, your toes, your body. So it doesn't have to take so much time of your day to connect to yourself and to your baby. Make this a daily practice and find how you start feeling your body more and more. If you want more tools and exercises, you're welcome to the birthproject.se, where I show you how I can help you prepare for birth together with your partner or birth partner. Everyone giving birth should have someone by their side. That's a strong belief that I have. So until next time, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.